From investing just a couple $1,000s and turning the rags to riches, people like Warren Buffett have it all figured out. The art of investment is about more than just saving money, and if you're smart about it and want to make sure your money grows with time, these are some classics that'll spill all those secrets. Here are the top 10 books every investor should read at least once. Number 10. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This easy-to-read book takes you on a journey through 19 short chapters exploring how people think about money and the psychology behind it. A big plus is how it also offers practical advice to help you achieve financial security. Housel suggests that staying wealthy is more important than getting wealthy. He uses Warren Buffett, the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, as an example. Buffett started investing at a young age and enjoys making money, but he doesn't indulge in grand displays of wealth. So the main takeaway from the book, the ultimate purpose of having money is the freedom it provides to make choices that lead to happiness. Number 9. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter. Robert Kiyosaki's book delves into his childhood experiences with two father figures, his own father and his friend's father. Through their differing mindsets and behaviors, he explores the psychology of wealth. In the book, the poor dad represents Kiyosaki's biological father, while the rich dad is his friend's father, whom he adopts as a mentor. Kiyosaki emphasizes the contrasting thought process between those with limited financial success and those with abundant wealth. The book also delves into real estate investment strategies, effective budgeting, and the fundamental disparity between assets and liabilities. Originally published in 1997, this book is the first installment of a trilogy by the author, offering investors some valuable insights into financial literacy and wealth-building principles. Number 8. Patient Capital by Josh Lerner and Victoria Ivashina. Here's the thing, not many people know the full story of the Rockefeller family's incredible wealth. It all started with John D. Rockefeller, who invested just $4,000 in an oil company called Standard Oil. That tiny investment grew into a massive fortune that his family would benefit from for decades. Fast forward a couple of generations and his grandchildren decided to use their wealth for long-term investments. They didn't want quick profits. They were willing to wait patiently for years to see their investments pay off. Their patient capital funded some huge projects, like creating Eastern Airlines, a part of General Motors, and supporting the growth of McDonnell Aircraft Corporation, which later became part of Boeing. They also played a role in developing tourism and conservation in the U.S. Virgin Islands. They even built the eco-friendly Conneaut Bay Resort in St. John Island and contributed to expanding national parks in the United States. So patient capital means being willing to wait for many years to see your investments grow, just like the Rockefeller family did. Number 7. The Book on Rental Property Investing by Brandon Turner. Brandon Turner's real estate investing book is a gem for anyone interested in the real estate industry. Unlike some older investing books, this one's relatively new, published in 2015. It's packed with valuable insights into using rental properties to generate passive income and watching your real estate investments grow over time. Turner sees real estate as a dependable source of income and shares strategies for building significant wealth through it. He doesn't just focus on one way to profit, he discusses different methods and also goes into the challenges of rental properties, such as timing and market conditions. In a nutshell, this book is your go-to guide for navigating the world of real estate, whether you're just starting or looking to expand your real estate portfolio. Number 6. The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need by Andrew Tobias. In the latest revision of this timeless classic, Tobias addresses the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and provides insights into how investors and taxpayers navigated different administrations, including the Trump era. With a blend of knowledge and humor, he guides readers through the fundamentals of investment tools, covering stocks, bonds, mutual funds, U.S. Treasury bills, and exchange-traded funds. He also offers valuable insights into tax strategies and tips for selecting and working with brokers. Tobias recommends a cautious stock market strategy, advising readers to allocate the majority of their savings to mutual funds and ETFs while limiting direct fund investments to no more than 20%. Andrew shares tips on credit cards and vacation savings, and even choosing cubic zirconia jewelry over diamonds. This book has got it all. Number 5. The Ultimate Day Trader by Jacob Bernstein. Bernstein, a seasoned investor, outlines 11 compelling reasons for day trading in this must-read. These include the allure of reduced headline risk, the satisfaction of knowing results by day's end, access to reliable forecasting, swift execution, market volatility, and the enjoyment it brings. But it's not easy. Day trading demands a lot of effort and time, and the environment is crazy competitive. As the founder of Bernstein Investments Incorporated and the author of 35 books on trading, investor psychology, and economic forecasts, the book is clear and very easy to understand. It also makes you think. In the end, Bernstein asks readers an important, crucial question. Do you have the strength to accept losses and not give up? If the answer is yes, you're ready to start your day trading journey. Number 4. The Billionaire's Apprentice by Anita Raghavan. The Billionaire's Apprentice is a book that reads like a thriller, and at its heart, it's the tale of two men. Rajat Gupta, a high-born Indian immigrant who was the head of McKinsey & Co., a prestigious consulting company, and Raj Rajaratnam, a mathematical genius from Sri Lanka, who led the Galleon hedge fund. But things took a dark turn with allegations of insider trading, ending in prison sentences for both men. Author Anita Raghavan portrays Rajaratnam as the king of wealth and Gupta as the king of thought. The title's irony lies in Gupta, the older of the two, being enticed by the prospect of billionaire status after 3 decades at McKinsey, where he earned a multi-million-dollar salary. Number 3. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. John C. Bogle's book is a good lesson on the importance of consistent growth. After all, you need to allow your money to grow. Bogle, renowned as the creator of the first index fund, writes about the Gotrox family and how a minor mistake led to massive expenses in taxes, capital gains, advisory fees, and charges. For those of you wanting to explore the realm of mutual funds and index funds, the book gives you a pretty detailed comparison, so you're bound to learn a few new things. Number 2. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Described as by far the best book on investing ever written by none other than Warren Buffett, The Intelligent Investor should definitely be on your to-read list. Buffett especially recommends reading chapters 8 and 20 for times when the market is stronger or weaker than usual. It's no joke that Benjamin Graham is hailed as the greatest investment advisor of the 20th century. His philosophy of value investing, a strategy focused on long-term growth and minimizing errors, has made his book an enduring stock market guide since its first publication in 1949. Graham's wisdom has withstood the test of time, validated by market developments over the years. In the updated edition, the core of his original work remains intact, but it's now even better, with commentary by renowned financial journalist Jason Zweig. Zweig's analysis bridges the gap between Graham's timeless principles and the modern financial landscape, so you can apply the strategies in the present day. Number 1. The Bond King by Mary Childs. The book delves into the life of Bill Gross, a pioneering bond trader from PIMCO. Childs paints him as a brilliant visionary who revolutionized bond trading. But beneath his genius, Gross was notorious for being unpredictable and hard to work with. Years passed and a huge number of employees, including PIMCO's former co-CEO and co-CIO Mohammed El Erian, left due to his management style. Things got to the point that Gross was forced to resign from the company he'd built. We were then navigated through the subprime mortgage crisis, where many Americans lost their homes due to predatory lending practices. During this time, Gross was a trusted advisor to top federal and banking officials. As for where the name of the book comes from, Gross's early days involved card counting in Las Vegas casinos, a strategy he later applied to the bond market. This earned him the nickname Bond King by Fortune in 2002. He basked in the limelight, gracing magazine covers, appearing on CNBC, and being a sought-after speaker, but it wasn't going to last. If you're interested in the rise and fall of an investing king, this book is unparalleled. What are your thoughts about these books? If you liked this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.